Google Workspace is a popular business suite of world-class productivity and collaboration apps built for all types and sizes of business. Google Workspace also offers a professional business email service. And today I'm going to help you get up and running with all of the essential Google Workspace features that you need to know. So hey guys, see here, welcome along to this channel. I hope all is well in your world now. In this Google Workspace tutorial for beginners, I'm going to gently take your hand and walk you through how you can use Google Workspace so that your entire business can make the most of this all-in-one business site. So the first thing that you have to do is open your web browser and dive into workspace.google.com. So this is the home page. As you can see, we have here various information. And to use Google Workspace effectively, start by setting up your account through the Google Admin Console, where you can manage users, set permissions, and customize your domain settings. So then you have just to click over Get Started. As you can see, we click over Start here, and right now you have to link this information, like you have company name, for example, it is a shop. Then you choose here number of employees including you. Then you choose your region, and you have here discovered a new way to work with generative AI. With Google Workspace, you can purchase Gemini as an add-on to communicate and collaborate in a new way. Then you click over next. Once you do that, you will find other page, which is what are your contact details. Because you create the Google Workspace account, you will be the administrator. So you write your for name, for example, Mike, name Tyson, and then current your email address, and you click over next. Once you do that, you will find here choose a method to set up your account. To set up your company's email and Google Workspace account, you'll need to have a domain as example.com. We have you get a new custom domain, buy a new domain and grow your brand online, and we have you configure with your existing domain. Use the domain you already own, and you have just to click over it. Then you click over continue. Then we have here the next page. It's look for a domain name for a business. Look for a domain that reflects your company name or brand to strengthen your online presence. So you write here, we search in domain names, for example here like computer net, and here try to find your company name. Click over I'm not a robot. Once you do that, you will find other page which you have to write your personal information like your address, your number, and your password, and code postal also, and you link with your Gmail, and you get started with Google Workspace. So let's come back to the home page. I will give you how you can work with Google Workspace as well. So the first thing that we have here, create, exchange, and collaborate with the potential of EA. So I will read you these things later. So firstly, we have productivity and collaboration tools that adapt to all modes of work. So this is the video showing how it works with Google Workspace. So here we have chats, and I've got an excited update. Can you hop on a quick video call? Yes, absolutely. So this is the video here. As you can see, so you can just watch this video until the end and you will know how it works with Google Workspace. So it's very easy. And then we have here other things like some questions: what products are included in Google Workspace, what is Gemini. So you click over here and you get your answer. So once your account is set up, users can access various applications like Gmail for email, Google Drive for file storage, and Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides for document creation and collaboration. Encourage team members to use Google Meet for virtual meetings and Google Calendar for scheduling. Leverage shared drives for collaborative projects and explore Google and Workspace's integration capabilities with other tools you use. Regularly review and adjust settings to ensure security and optimize your workflows. So let's know why we use Google Workspace. So Google Workspace is widely used because it offers a comprehensive suite of cloud-based productivity tools that enhance collaboration and efficiency with applications like Gmail, Google Drive, Docs, Sheets, and Meet. It allows teams to work seamlessly together in real time regardless of location. Its integration also and accessibility make it easy to share files, communicate, and manage projects effectively, all within a secure and user-friendly environment. The flexibility and scalability of Google Workspace cater to both small businesses and large enterprises, making it a versatile choice for various organizational needs. So this is how it works with Google Workspace, and we have here create and exchange and collaborate with the potential of EA, a solution that brings together the applications popular with more than 3 billion users, Gmail, Calendar, Drive, Meet, and many others, now available with Gemini for Workspace to boost productivity with EA. So you have just to get started with it, and you will find it very easy, and you will discover also the professional world of tomorrow and also other things. So you can just get started and show your innovative spirit. Also here we have other information like in solution we have here for individuals, small and medium sized enterprise, large companies, and then we have products here, Gmail, Google Calendar, Drive, Meet, Docs, Sheets, Slides, and CAD. Then we have sectors here. We have health and life science, commerce, industry, administration and public, professional services, technology, and we have also here about services, sales, marketing, human resources, and also we have EA here, traffics, resources, and administration council. We have also contact the sales department. So this is how it works with Google Workspace, and you have just to get started with it. Also, we have here other information like discover new ways to work with Gemini for Workspace, highlight, and we have up to date with product news and updates on the Google Workspace, Gemini query within writing, guide for Google Workspace, learn how Gemini can help your business at your digital event, and we have Gemini at work on September 24. So this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.